Tom, when I walk home in the evening like this, I always think about my family.
Really? What comes to your mind?
Just memories. Dinner together, small conversations, laughter. It makes me feel calm.
I get that. Home isn't just a place, it's a feeling.
Exactly. Even after a long day, thinking about family makes everything feel lighter.
It's like your heart slows down a little.
Yes, that's the perfect way to describe it.
Do you miss your childhood home sometimes?
All the time. The smell of food, the sound of the TV, my parents talking in the kitchen.
That sounds comforting.
It was. Life felt simpler back then.
I miss that simplicity too. No pressure, no deadlines.
Just school, play, and family dinners.
Those moments stay with us longer than we think.
Sometimes I worry about my parents getting older.
I do too. It's strange when you realize they're not as strong as before.
They still try to act the same, though.
Yes, they don't want us to worry.
That makes me want to spend more time with them.
Time is the most valuable thing we can give.
I agree. More than gifts.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, one younger brother. We're very different, but close.
That's nice. I'm the oldest in my family.
That comes with responsibility.
It does. Sometimes I feel like I have to be strong all the time.
But even strong people need support.
True. Family reminds us of that.
Does your family have any special traditions?
Yes, every Sunday we eat together, no matter how busy we are.
I love that. We used to do the same.
Those routines give life structure.
And something to look forward to.
Exactly. They hold families together. No matter where I go, home is where I feel safest.
Me too. Even silence feels comfortable at home.
You can be yourself there.
No masks, no pretending,
Just rest.
and peace. Sometimes I feel guilty for being busy with work.
I know that feeling. It's hard to balance everything.
Family needs time, but work does too.
I try to remind myself that balance is not perfect.
Yes, some days work wins, some days family wins.
What matters is intention.
Do you think about building your own family someday?
Yes, sometimes. A small home, simple life.
That sounds peaceful. I want a place filled with warmth, not stress.
A home that feels safe, like the one we grew up in.
Exactly. Talking about this makes me feel grateful.
Me too. Even with problems, family is a gift.
Not perfect, but meaningful.
And always there, in one way or another.
That's comforting.
I'm glad we talked about this today.
Me too. It reminds me what truly matters.
Family, home, and feeling safe.
Yes, those things keep us grounded.
Let's appreciate them more.
Absolutely. I'm not always physically tired after work, but mentally, I feel exhausted.
That kind of tiredness is harder to fix.
Yes, you sit down, but your mind keeps running.
Thinking about emails, deadlines, unfinished tasks.
Exactly. Even when I try to relax, my thoughts don't listen.
That's why I need a clear break between work and rest.
Me too. Otherwise, the day never really ends.
So, what's the first thing you usually do when you get home?
I wash my hands, change clothes, and sit down for a moment.
Just sitting?
Yes, no phone, no TV, just breathing.
That sounds healthy. I usually make coffee or tea first.
Hot drinks really help you slow down.
They do. It's like telling your body you're safe now.
Do you prefer silence or music when you relax?
It depends on the day. Sometimes silence feels best.
I understand that. Silence can be comforting.
Other days I play soft music in the background.
Music without lyrics?
Mostly. Lyrics make my brain work too much.
That makes sense. Instrumental music feels lighter.
Do you ever feel guilty for watching TV after work?
Yes, sometimes. Like I should be doing something more useful.
I feel that too, but rest is useful.
Exactly. Not everything has to be productive.
Some shows help me forget the day.
Same, especially light, simple shows.
Nothing too serious.
On good days, I like to go for a short walk.
Walking really clears the mind.
Even 10 minutes helps me breathe better.
I like walking without a destination.
Just moving, not rushing.
It reminds me that life isn't only about schedules. Do you have any hobbies that help you relax?
Reading. Mostly simple books, nothing heavy.
That's nice. I enjoy cooking.
Cooking as relaxation?
Yes, cutting vegetables, following simple steps, it's calming.
I like that idea. Creating something with your hands.
It makes me feel present.
After work, do you prefer being alone or with people?
Usually alone. I need quiet first.
Me too. Later, I enjoy talking with friends.
Same. I just need to recharge before socializing.
Understanding your own needs is important.
Yes, otherwise even fun feels tiring. I try not to think about work after a certain hour.
That's a good rule.
Not always easy, but helpful.
I remind myself, tomorrow can handle tomorrow's problems.
Exactly. Tonight is for rest.
And for ourselves.
Talking about this makes me want to relax properly tonight.
Me too. It's a good reminder.
Rest doesn't need to be complicated.
Just honest and gentle.
I'm glad we talked.
Me too, Tom. Have a peaceful evening.
Tom, do you ever notice how different the air feels once you step outside after work?
Yes, completely. It's like my shoulders relax the moment I leave the building.
Same here. Inside the office, everything feels tight and serious.
Outside, it's quieter. Even the noise feels softer somehow.
It's the moment when the day slowly lets go of you.
Or when you finally let go of the day.